What's up, everybody? Hope all is well. I just got back from a run trying to get some energy. These newborn twins that we have in the house are bogging me and Laura down, so I gotta at least get some energy somewhere. I don't know about you, how many days do you work out? I'm struggling with just getting one right now. Strange, I know, it's difficult. Or maybe it's not strange, who knows. Anyways, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, let's go. Well, I haven't posted much in regards to a video. The last one I did was on FabTech 2021, which in my opinion was kind of a bust just due to the amount of traffic. I think there was about a third of the attendees versus a typical year before COVID. Up here, you can watch that video. I've been busy. I don't know about all of you. It's been crazy busy the last month. The last 3 weeks for work, I did show after show after show. So I did FabTech for a week, and then the week after that we did a student or a school event at Pitt U in Moorsville, North Carolina, which is near Charlotte, North Carolina. So Pitt U, what they do is they offer full-blown 6-week welding courses. They offer weekend workshops. So if you're just getting into welding and you're near the Charlotte, North Carolina area, or if you want to just fly in to check out one of their workshops, you know, you could do that. Great group of people. They're AWS accredited facilities, so they can certify welders. So if you're looking to certify welders based on code, you can send them there, no problemo. So it was a pretty good turnout. They had food trucks, they had vehicles, they were doing NASCAR style changing of tires. You can book out their facilities for weddings or conferences, or if you're just trying to have a party or some type of team get together or team building event, you can actually book it and do the tire changing on the racetrack itself. It's kind of cool. So check them out, Charlotte, North Carolina.
Who wants the welder? Everybody do it. Loudest person gets the welder. There we go. There we go. And the winning ticket is
Dale Burgess.
ticket number 352. Congratulations, Dale Burgess.
Then this week, I was in Phoenix, Arizona. We did a student welding outreach day at Central Arizona College in Coolidge, Arizona. So it's down south of Phoenix, probably 50 miles or so. It's in the middle of nowhere, but when I drove in, I'm like, man, the school is cool. So they have dorm rooms right on campus. You can get degrees there. They have sports or athletic programs. We're really focused on the welding program for the event. So they offer a 2-year program, or you can do a 6 to 12-week course right there at Central Arizona College. But we were doing an outreach program, so they bust in high schools, local high schools. So there's about 200 students that came in and checked out Central Arizona College, but there was vendor booths set up. So there was Metabo, there was Harris, Vern Lewis, the local independent distributor in Arizona. you know, they were a big part of the event. They had a booth there. Fronius had a booth there showing all the welding equipment. There was ag departments, local businesses that are trying to hire students. What's going on, everybody? We're here at Central Arizona College in Coolidge, Arizona. Today we are doing a outreach day. We're gonna have a ton of students here. You can see we're gonna be well represented. We already got the Fronius flags popped up at the entryway. We are expecting a pretty good turnout here. We got Vern Lewis, who's co-sponsoring this event with us, along with the college, with a ton of vendors that are showing up. So stick around. I'm gonna show you what's going on here at Central Arizona College, and give me that thumbs up. Fronius booth. We have set up one with a battery operated stick TIG unit, and then we got booth number 2 with a MIG 035 Trans Steel 2700. We have the ladies from Weld Her Workshop, Letty and Rachel. Hey Rachel, say hello.
Hi.
We have Austin inside the welding lab here with Trans Steel Pulse. You running Pulse?
Yes.
Nice. Put a link in the description below for Central Arizona State College, and then also Pitt U, so you can check them out. Yeah, but anyways, 3 weeks of traveling. A lot of it was weekend travel. Last week, my second oldest son, Grayson, ended up getting his appendix removed, and he had to spend 2 nights in the hospital. So that, on top of twins and keeping up with everything, that was a fun week. Not really. He's okay though. He is okay. No worries there. But it's funny. So he was sick. He was sick in the morning and he was puking and he had a fever. Got him home from school. The next day he was down in the basement crying, curled up in a little ball. And I tried picking him up and he's like, ah, crying. And I'm like, you're faking it. So I was touching his stomach where it hurt. And I had to literally pick him up and bring him to the ER. And I felt bad for poking him, little dude. But he's okay. He's recovering. He's going back to school this week. The twins, boy, girl, Sloan and Graham, they're doing great. They're starting to sleep 4 to 5 hours over the night so we can get some more sleep. And, you know, spend some quality time not taking care of kids. 5 kids is nuts. Nuts. Can't even explain. How many kids do you got? Type down in the comment. I'm curious if any of you have more than 5 or 5, because I'm curious how you handled it. It's fun. I'm telling you, there's no soft moments. No easy moments, I should say. Dinner times are crazy. That's for sure. Usually Laura has a baby or a twin. I have a twin. The kids are fighting. They're not eating their food. Alexa's going off. Insane. Just spend a day in my house. I'm telling you. Thinking about starting phase 1 of 70-day hard challenge. So that's the second phase, or they call it phase 1. I'm thinking about doing it, but it's my wife's birthday. She'll kill me. But it's hard to keep up working out, I'm telling you. It's hard to keep up. I'm curious what motivates you. I'm trying to stay motivated. Even with these videos is difficult. This is more of like an update video about what's going on. I am working on some fall pottery stands or plant stands for some mums. So that video will be coming out soon, building that with my kids. It's gonna be a surprise for the wife. We're gonna call it Mums for Moms. What do you think? Mums for Moms. The problem is I bought them early and half of them are already dead because I went out of town and I forgot to water them. Not good. Chickens are doing good. The chickens are doing great. We have too many eggs, so if you need any eggs, hit me up. And then the last thing, the roof. If any of you watch the roof, I've been working on this renovation house, and a contractor screwed me over on the roof, which caused serious leaks. But I ended up hiring it out to a licensed contractor. They just completed it. The roof looks fantastic. It's probably the best house on the street just because of the roof. I should have spent the money up front, but that's what's going on in my world. I hope all of you are doing well. Stay motivated, keep rolling, don't stop. Thanks for watching, and look out for future videos. Take care.